So recently a young man contacted me and he said he wanted to remove the present father's name from his birth certificate and add his biological father's name. He knows his biological father claimed him, they had a relationship and everything, but the name is not on the birth certificate. Someone else's name is. Okay, we can have a change of name done to a birth certificate, except his father died 3 months ago. That broke my heart. If you know your biological father's name and it's not on your birth certificate and he has claimed paternity and you have a relationship with him, put the correct father's name on your birth certificate. Claim your correct last name so your kids can have their correct last names. If you have a child who does not have the correct father's name on their birth certificate and you know the other person, the biological father, has claimed the child, has a relationship with the child, take the other name off, fix the birth certificate. If that other father wanted to file for the child, well, not the other father, the biological father, wanted to file for his child or apply for a passport for the child, he can't. He has no claim. There's no documentary proof that he is the father. Okay, simmer down. You're sounding too passionate. There is no documentary proof that he is the biological father. He can't file, he can't register in school, he can't do anything. He can apply for a passport for her or him. Regularize your documents. You can't pass down a legacy without the correct name. If you have the wrong father's name on your birth certificate, it means your kids also have the wrong name. They don't have the name of their bloodline. They don't have the name of their correct lineage. And again, this is only when a biological father is present, has claimed paternity, you have a relationship. No legacy can be passed down if the names don't match. And in the cases where there's no father's name, that is even easier. You can do an addition of father's particulars. This person whose father is now deceased, they will require a court document. They'll have to get DNA perhaps from a sibling, a biological child of the deceased father, and get a court order to have the registrar put the correct father's name. The person wants to get a passport now, but they don't want to get another passport in the wrong last name. Stay tuned for my next video where I talk about consent for passport applications in Jamaica and legal guardianship. I am Gail. Thanks for watching.